If you're new to AI and you're just starting to use Claude in a terminal, I want to show you how easy this is. It's honestly very simple to set up. I started using Claude like 2 and a bit months ago. I'm brand new at this. And this is how people are being so productive. So look, I know nothing about AI, but I want to unlock the powers of the universe for all of the best AI creators. So what I want you to do is use the Perplexity MCP to find the top 10 AI creators and see if they have an open GitHub repo. And if they do, store those creators into a new Notion database. And that's it. I'm going to put this out into the universe. We'll turn it into plan mode. I'll hit enter and I'll come back when this is running. And here we go. It's running. It's asking me what type of creators. So I'll say Notion creators. I'll just do Notion root. Doesn't matter. Cool. So putting it into plan mode literally gives me a plan. So here it goes. AI Notion creator database. This is what it's going to pull. It looks fine. I'm just going to click auto accept, bypass permissions, so that way it doesn't ask me a bunch of questions. And again, it's just going to run autonomously. And here it is, guys. This took like 5 minutes. It gave me a list, created the Notion database. I haven't even opened it. We're going to do this together for the first time. Here's Notion. Look at that. AI top creators has GitHub repo. I ran this in another terminal because I wanted to sort of compare. And this is what it gave me. Like, this is all done instantly. And if I like these people and I wanted some of them, I'm pretty sure I actually know who this is. Big public figure. Yeah, he's made a ton of AI stuff. If I want to copy what he has built, I can just click on it and add it. So if I wanted to copy Nano GPT, pretty sure this guy worked at ChatGPT or Claude. Doesn't matter. Anyway, I can just click on here, copy, go back into Claude, and then paste it in and hit enter. I'm not going to take this because it's going to take a ton of data, but like, it is all done instantly. If you don't know how to use Claude, you can ask it how to use itself. That's the best part. All the tools are free. You guys got to get on this. It's very, very useful.